Ike. Hello guys, so we're here at how to open? We're here at the Northern Lights first ever collectors event, Diecast show, car expo here at Vaughan. So we have this one right here. Here's the dog right here. Hey dog. So we have a bunch of cars that we have. Nice cars. My buddy Stevie in here. Hey. Nice car. That's nice. Nice car.
I said I might come back.
Patrick McGridden. Some nice car here. It's a pretty big space actually. And lots of tables. Lots of cars. Some nice table here.
First or second gen.
Nice cars. Some nice cars here too. Where's Richie?
Right there. He's right over there. Is that a camera?
Yeah.
So tiny.
I know.
6'5" there. Right there.
Hi Richie. How's it going? All good.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. You know you got a bit in here.
No, I don't have this yet.
Yeah, right.
I have two. Yeah, it's a dragon.
It's Linda. Hi Linda. Some yes. Thanks. Handy.
December 17th. Saturday. Okay.
Those are awesome.
He will make more by that time. Okay. Those are nice.
There's a Keats booth here. Some cars. Some Norev. Here's the one we have. It's like white, just white LP. It's awesome. Some NSX. Oh, this one is 360 Modena BBR, which is expensive. Some cars here. Really? Check this here. Hot Wheels. This one is I like this one. Nice cars too.
Let me take a look. See if I can treat you.
That was nice. Let's check out the dioramas that Christopher had. These are nice. Some Starbucks. Hi, Chris.
Hey, how you doing?
All good.
Oh, you don't know about it? I knew about it.
My friend has it on road.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. You're going track too. Nice. Well, I mean, for cars, don't you need things?
Because I do my own custom.
These are nice.
I try, you know, like I said, it'd be better if I find one that's like scratched but the windshield's intact.
You know what? I'll take a look.
So that's it for the tour. Hope you guys enjoy. It's a big venue actually. It's like awesome crowd right now, even though it's pouring outside. Too many people. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for this tour. Let's walk around, check some cars. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.